some sort of like a long-term review of my Cube SLT. So this is in Bandung, Cikole. It's a downhill track, and here I am using the Cube SLT 2017, I think. So quick review about this. Talking about the components, it's full GX next crank, using an Indonesian brand hub called Move, Panaracer tires, 2.35 29er, SDG saddle, Brand X, RockShox Monarch. This one is a RockShox Revelation 150, coupled with a local front hub again. The front with a Panaracer 29er Fire Pro. So your cockpit will be handled by Magura MT4 GX Core stem, 50mm, however it's a bit too long. Easton carbon stem, and the Raceface dropper lever, and a one-up pedal. So Magura MT4s. So yeah, reasonably well. It's easy to climb because the overall bike, I'm not kidding you, this one is only 11.3 kilos. Don't know how it does it, but it's very light. The pedaling upwards is easy. The going up, however, it's a bit bumpy on the rear. It does what it needs to do. Certain drops are still available for spacing at the fork, as you can see, but it's still not a bad ride. So I think there is really quite a bit of a difference between your carbon frame, which is lightweight, versus your aluminum, which is or can be quite heavy. But overall, it's not too bad a ride, but I think it's too little bike for Bandung. This, by right, with proper tuning, better components, maybe it will be a lean mean machine in Singapore trails. Yeah, so that's it. My very quick, unprofessionally done review of the Cube SLT 29er 2017. Until then.